Hey everyone! So today we're going to do a paint kiss. This is a 12 by 16 canvas. I already laid some neutral gray down that I mixed with a little bit of white just to lighten it up a little bit because it does dry pretty dark. So we're going to be doing some hot colors, I call them. I'm going to use the Soho Cad Red Light, Soho Yellow Deep, Creative Inspirations Copper, and then in this cup, we'll do the Soho Alizarin Crimson, Black, and Craft Smart Gold. So I'm going to go ahead and get those cups mixed up, and we're going to go for it. I like doing them on gray when you use black because it likes to feather out into the gray, which makes it really cool. And I thought we should do two different hot cups just to put more color on the canvas. So I'm just layering these in against the side of the cup because that's the way we want them to come out. I'm hoping that copper behaves with the gray. I don't think I've tried that yet. Okay, I didn't want a ton of paint, so I'm going to move these out of the way. Alright, so I'm going to pinch my cups, get them ready to go. Steady hands. Let your paint kiss at the tip of the cup first, and then let it fall. Now you may not use all your paint. I try to go as long as I can. There, I have to wait for that one drip. Of course, I'm not even in the middle of the canvas. Alright, let's stretch it out. Not sure about the gray background. But we're going to be dumping a lot of this, so. Because the only way to open everything up is to take it over the side, so. I like to try to keep my paint all together. Let's leave that corner gray. Look how the red opened up into that. I didn't get any black on that at all. Of course, the black and the yellow mixing made a little green, but I can live with that. So I think I'm going to leave it right there. Let's torch it and see what happens. Of course, the gray, we're selling out over the gray here. Gotta get those air bubbles out. You don't have to torch. They'll pop by themselves. I just do it to get it done quicker. So I think when this copper dries, it'll be beautiful with that orange and yellow. And then, of course, against the gold. I like it. Let me turn it around because this is the way I'm seeing it. Give you a little bit of a close-up. My screen is very bright today. The camera is acting up. So there you have it. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click on that bell and get notified when I upload new videos. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. We have the Parage Posse and also our art page. If you're interested in buying my paintings, you can get them on Etsy. I just got rid of a bunch of them. I shouldn't say got rid of. I just adopted out a bunch of them. And I'm going to be putting lots of new ones in. Hopefully the end of this week. And also, if you're looking for paint supplies, I have them all in my Amazon shop. That link is below. I am an affiliate for Amazon, so I do make a few pennies off your purchases, but it's no extra cost to you. And Teespring for our t-shirts and hoodies. If you're a member of the Parage Posse, you might want to get one. And also our Stone Coat Art Coat resin code is below. $10 off a $95 order using the code POSSE, P-O-S-S-E, all in caps at checkout. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.